Hi guys, how can you create this glowing border light effect in Photoshop? First, open your image. Go to select subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl plus J to place it on a new layer. Rename this layer subject. Now select the background layer and go to Layer New Adjustment Layer Levels. Darken the background by setting the middle slider to around 0.34 and the left slider to around 12. Next, select the subject layer and double-click it to open Layer Style. Enable Inner Glow. Set the blend mode to linear dodge, add opacity to 100% and choose a green color. You can use any color you like. Set the source to edge, the choke to 100% and choose the ring contour. Feel free to try different contours to create different glow styles. Now enable satin, set the blend mode to linear dodge, add the opacity to around 3, the angle to 90 degrees, the distance to 2 pixels and the size to 16 pixels. Use the linear contour. Next, enable outer glow, set the blend mode to linear dodge, add opacity to 50%, choose the same green color and set the size to around 120 pixels. Use the linear contour or experiment with other contours for different glow effects. Click OK to apply the layer styles. Finally, hold the Shift key, select all the effect layers, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. And that's it, before a normal image. After a bright, colorful, glowing border light effect around the subject. That's how you can create a glowing border light effect in Photoshop.